Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this new Defender 3-litre D300 HSE 110, finished in Tasman blue metallic exterior paint, with 20-inch 5-spoke silver alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include premium LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and we can see the full-size spare wheel on the rear door. As we look behind the rear door now, we can see the 40-20-40 rear folding seats and the load space cover. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside and the ebony Windsor leather seats with Isofix child seat mounts and the second row climate vents and power sockets. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card and the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have DAB radio and the 3D surround camera system display. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with ride height buttons and USB sockets. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.